Exposing the secrets hidden in your pantry. Today we're turning everyday items into toe-saving superheroes. Got a case of the toe terrors? Toe fungus might be common, but it's definitely not welcome. Luckily, you don't need harsh chemicals to say goodbye to those fungal foes. Let's dive into some natural remedies that are both safe and effective. First up, apple cider vinegar. It's not just for salads. Mix 1 part water with 1 part apple cider vinegar. Soak those toes for 15 minutes daily. The acidity keeps fungus in check. Next, hello garlic. Not just a vampire repellent, it's antifungal too. Crush a few cloves, mix with olive oil, and apply this pungent paste to the affected area. Just warn your household, things might get a bit aromatic. Feeling tropical? Coconut oil is on the case. Its fatty acids are kryptonite for fungus. Apply directly to your toes and let the magic happen. Bonus, super soft skin. Remember, consistency is key. Choose your fighter and stick with it daily for the best results. And hey, if all else fails, at least your toes will be well dressed in garlic and vinegar.